So hello guys, my name is Atudas, and here we are going to make a UWP application, that is Universal Window Platform, a small part of it. We are going to create um, a button which we will click and it will give us the current time or current date, whatever we can decide during the programming, and it will also give us a notification message in our Windows screen. That is a basic Windows notification, and this will be we will be doing this by an external package which will be installing by from the Nugget package manager, and I will show you in the way. So let's begin. So we will create a new project here, um, and here we are going to take a UWP app. You can type here UWP. um, why is it slow? Okay, here we have a blank app. So click here. So you can see here it is written Universal Windows blank app. So I am naming it as demo. You can give whatever you want, and you can create. Just give it OK. So this is the interface which you will get. Just cancel this overview and go to your app.xml, and you will find this main page XML. This is the design page. I mean the coding page. And if you come here and click right click, sorry, if you right click here, and you will find here view designer. This will lead you to the design page. So wait a bit. So I don't know why PC is very slow. Okay, now here this is our toolbox where we can get all the buttons or all the UI widgets you can get from here. So here I will be adding a text block. So I'll move it. I can click and drag to the screen. Okay, this is very small here. So you can see that a text block has been added to the grid. Grid is actually the whole grid layout, and here we can add the elements, that means children's, into our layout. So first we added the text block. Now we can edit it. Actually I will arrange it because I'm not comfortable with this long text here, so I'll be breaking it into lines. Just enter everything, and next time if you add thing, your Visual Studio will automatically arrange this for you, so you have to do it only once. Okay, so first I'll be changing the text here. So default it will be like text block, so I will change it and write um, what can I give, um, tell time. Okay. Just tell time, and I will increase the font size a bit. So font size, I think, sorry, not font family, I need font size. Font size, try 30, 40, sorry, uh, let's try 60. Okay, now we have to center the text. Wait, we can extend this first. uh, Text alignment, uh, center. Okay, now I can manually place it somewhere in the center, so it should snap here. Yeah, it's snapping. Where is that? So I'll basically extend this first, so it will automatically be centered. Okay, now next we can add another text block which will be displaying our time after we click the button. So I will take another text block, or I can just copy it down, or I will do like this. So click here, Control C, Control V, and you will see it has been duplicated. So you can see here another text block has been added as we copied. I will change this to um, it will just say the instruction, click the button btn in short to get time. This is a bit long, but it's fine. So as we click the button, it will automatically be changed to the time. Um, okay, I will reduce its font size a bit. Let's say 50, yeah, 50 is fine. Now I will be adding a button. So from here, s- just search for button, and from here you can just drag and drop in the screen, and it is added, but you can't see because it's very small. I will center it first. I can increase its size. Now you can see that the text is small, so I will increase its font size first, and I'll also show you how to change the color of the background also. Wait. So here, to change the text in the button, I will go to the contents. The default is the button, so I will change it to click me, and I will increase the font size a bit to 30. So okay, let's say 40. Yeah, 40 is fine. And to change the color of the text in the button, I have to go to foreground. Foreground, I'll give it a red, and the let's keep it as a black thing. So, and I will also give it a radius, so corner radius 10. You will see that the button will get a rounded corners. I can't see here, like 20 is fine. Yeah, 20 is okay. Then I will change the background of the button to be black. Yeah, yeah, now you can see that corner. um, then I'll change the grid background to some other color. Let's say um, what about light gray? Let's see. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, so this is the base setup. So our UI has been done. I didn't do it much, but yeah, it's fine. So now let's go back to our text. So for this, you can go to switch to other tab. You can see here I'm switching the tab, or you can right click here, and okay, why can't I see that? Okay, just leave. It's not, or you can just go here. But here it is working. Like you can right click here, and you can go to view designer. You will get back to the designing page. It's okay. So now the button event. Okay, I forgot the main thing here. So I have to give some instruction, right? So if I click button, I have to run a function. So I have not added the function here. So if I am clicking the button, the function should run. So for that, there is a attribute here that is click, and I can give any name. See, it is saying that new event handler. So I can give any name like show me time, show me time, and programmatically I am gonna change the text in this text block, right? So I will be giving this text block as a xname. Xname is actually a name you're giving which you can identify in the while doing the program, to identify this, so that you can change what you can manipulate this. I'll show you just. So if you go here x and type name, xname, give any name like you want. I will give it just text. Yeah, that's enough. Text, not so complicated. So now I have to create this on click function in my main this code. So we have to implement that show time, show what was it? So I have to implement this function, right? After clicking, I should run the function with the name show me time. So I'll copy this and I'll go to my main page XML. Okay, and here I will create a function like private void. So this is non-return type, will not return anything. So here I will create default arguments which we have to provide here. Sender and okay, after providing this you have to do like what happens if you click this button. So we want to get the time of our local machine, so we will create a string time. So I am taking time, so here you have to use the date and date time, and here you have to go to, so it is auto completing, so it's good for us. Then we have to write datetime dot now dot uh, dot now dot to short time string. So you'll get the time string in a very short form, like now you can see my time is 3:57 a.m. late night videos. Okay, the 3:57 will get me that time string 3:37, like a normal time format. You can also have a long time string, it's your wish. So I'm taking short time string, and I want this time no I want the string to set to my this thing. And I already shown you, like I gave it a x name called text. Now I can directly use the word text here. So I can give text, and see it will automatically call that. I have to no change its text, right? And I have to set it to my time variable. So text dot text. Oh, okay, the attribute name is also the same. So text equal to my time string, that's it. So this will automatically set my text text to my time. Okay, so I think I should have changed the name. It's like text. Okay, not a problem. So after that we need to provide notification to user that the time has been set successfully. Okay, for that you have to go you have to first install the package. So you have to go to project, then you have to go to your Nugget package, manage Nugget package. So it will take you there, and you have to type here Microsoft dot toolkit dot UWP dot notification, I think. Yeah, no packet found. Toolkit dot UWP dot notifications. Why? Okay, I'm searching the installed one. Microsoft um, dot toolkit dot UWP. Yeah, so this is the one we need. So I'll go here and install it. Okay, I accept. I think it's installing. Okay, is it done? Yeah, it's installed. So I can cancel this, and I can go to my code. And for you, I have to create a class instance, which is actually from that package. That is, I forgot. Yeah, I think it's uh, toast new. It's a class. It's a new toast. I don't remember, guys. Really, toast content builder. Yeah, got it. So this is our class toast content builder. So this class instance I created. That's why I written new. New is for creating new instance of a class. That's actually from the package which we installed. So I'll create this in a variable var notifier. So okay. So after this, I can use implement. There is a certain function in this, like add text. So I'll be adding a text here. You can there are many things you can add, images. If possible, I will make another video on that. So in add text I can say um, text successfully, no, time set time as time set successfully, yeah, Okay, yeah, it's done. Then I have to say dot show. So if you don't write show, it will not be shown to your screen, but the code will never crash. So that's it. This is a simple program. You can try of your own, but you can learn a lot from here. You are known to how to install a package and like implement a class. So I'll run this and see whether it works or not. I hope you like understood what I was explaining. My English was not that good, but I tried my best. It will take a time, guys. It's actually rendering. Okay, everything is done. Deployed successfully. Okay, guys, this is our applications opened. My PC is running very slow today. I don't know why. So you see, you can. Oh, guys, I don't know whether you are seeing the text or not. I didn't. It is white. What? Wait. I'll just cancel and I will change the text. I actually forgot to change the text color. It is actually matching with the background and wait, I'll change this. I'm sorry, really sorry, guys. So in text block, I'll change the foreground to black. Now you can see crystal clear. Uh, Foreground black. Okay, now I run again. Hopefully, nothing's wrong. To be honest, even I'm a beginner in this, so you know, UWP apps are really hard to make. Their documentations is really good. Even I implemented this by reading the documentation. So if you guys like need much more deeper understanding on this, you can visit Microsoft's official website on documentations about UWPs. It's really helpful. It's really clear in that. So guys, if you see, this actually is the button effect. So when I'm hovering, it actually become invisible because it's like their settings. So I can't do anything. I don't know how to do that. Hope I figure it out soon. So as soon as I click this button, you can see time has been set and I get a notification that time set successfully. So guys, I hope you like my small demo on how to do this stuff. Uh, don't forget to subscribe if you really understood something. It really helps me out. Check it out.